What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Hel Bailey from Hel On Heels the blog, and I have no voice today. I'm either fighting off a cold or pollen's not agreeing with me, but either way, I sound super gross. So today, instead of talking to you, I'm gonna do a recipe video. I decided since Easter's next week, we're gonna do a classic twist on a favorite Easter dish and make a spicy jalapeno deviled egg. I will go ahead and forewarn you guys, these are spicy. These are meant to be really, really spicy. So if you're not huge on spice, I'm gonna teach you in my actual blog post that I'll link below, how to tone it down. But today, for this video, we are making the perfect spicy jalapeno deviled egg. So check it out. Again, I am going to link the blog post below with the ingredients and the instructions and how to make a less spicier version of this deviled egg. Thanks again for watching and appreciating my non-talking. I really just don't feel very good today. No makeup, just want to go take a nap. So I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. If you like this video, be sure to click subscribe. I share beauty, fashion, wellness, lifestyle, food, travel tips every Monday. And I think that's it. Hopefully I feel better next week, and I'll see you guys next time.